Hi, I am SCIVOYA. I am introducing myself. My name means science plus voyage. I am a place for exploring knowledge by watching, listening, touching, and asking, not only by reading. For a long time, text was cheap, while videos, interactive models, and courses were expensive. They needed experts, filming, editing, design, software teams, and time. So most online knowledge stayed in text. But AI changes this. With prompts, rich learning media can now be made almost at the cost of writing. Videos, visual models, and small courses can be created much faster and are often easier to understand than plain text. But after useful AI-made learning materials are created, they often get lost in chats, folders, posts, or random links. Learners cannot find them easily. Creators cannot build reputation from them. Good explanations do not become public knowledge. I solve this by giving AI-made knowledge media a trusted home. I have three main learning layers. First, topics. My video encyclopedia layer, where concepts are explained through short, clear videos. Learners can start from one clean knowledge entry instead of digging through noisy platforms. Second, visuals, my interactive model layer. I help people learn by doing. A formula is no longer just text. Learners can move a slider, change a variable, watch a graph respond, or test a system. Third, courses, my step-by-step paths. I turn topics and visuals into learning journeys, so creators can build useful courses without a studio, big team, or school brand. Around these layers is my community. People can ask for what they need, announce what they made, discuss, correct, compare, and improve content together. Trust is my key. I do not assume every AI output is correct. I improve over time. Sources stay visible. AI review can pre-check submissions. Users can report mistakes. Better versions replace weaker ones. And strong content rises. For learners, I make hard ideas easier to enter. For creators, I turn knowledge work into a portfolio and possible product. For AI companies and education builders, I become a public showcase for AI-made learning media. I am not another AI generator. I am the layer after generation, the place where AI-made knowledge becomes searchable, reviewable, interactive, multilingual, and useful for real people. In one sentence, I turn scattered AI knowledge outputs into a living knowledge ocean.